Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today was a very exciting day. I don't know if you just got done watching my other video, but it was the unboxing of the BoxyLuxe for December. So I am in a great mood, got some great products. Now moving right on to the next box, or actually it's a bag that I got today. I'm equally as excited, well, maybe not equally as excited, but I'm still very excited. So today, here we go. It is also Ipsy Day. Yes, I'm excited. I seen the sneak peeks and I noticed that the bag is so cute. So I am anxious. So let's jump right on in here, open this up and get started. Ooh, goodness, yes. Yes, girl, that is a gorgeous bag. It's sequined gold. Oh my gosh. Perfect, and a little, almost like a little tassel. It says Ipsy right there. How cute is this bag? This is probably one of my most favorite Ipsy bags that I have gotten. Oh my gosh. Yes, I'm a bag freak. I love bags. I love shiny things. I love gold. I love all of it. So I'm just, you know what? I'm getting a lot of really good stuff today and I'm happy. All right, so the first thing that I'm pulling out of my Ipsy bag is the Professional. It is a primer for your face. And of course, Ipsy is $10 a month, and it gives you some very small samples like this. Yes, girl, that is very small, but that is okay because, you know, it's $10 a month and it's just samples and we all know what to expect, right? Okay, so Professional I have used before. It is kind of a silicone-y feel, but I personally like it. I think it definitely hides my pores, which through my T-zone, I can, you know, my pores can be prominent sometimes. So I like it. So I'm happy to receive this item. Are you guys having a good day today? I just got home from work, had all these deliveries sitting on my couch, and I was just like, yeah, today is going to be a good day. So, next, here we go. We have the Grace and Stella Meet Mud. Let me see if I'm saying this right. Meet Mud, your skin's new best friend. At first, I'm like, what does that mean? All right, so this is a mud mask, and I love masks. I really do. I do one just probably about every other night. I am big time into taking care of my skin, and I think we all should be. So it is safety sealed, so that's a good thing. See if we can get it open here, and we could. So let's see. It's kind of thick. Yeah. Oh, that feels nice. So that is going to be a nice little mud mask to try. Let's see if it tells us what it does. It does not on here. It just says Dead Sea Mud Mask, Deep Skin Cleanser. So yeah, excited, very excited. Do you guys work today? Did you stay home with your children today? Did you have a good day? I hope you did. Everybody decorating for the holidays, or do you already have everything up and glowing in your home? I would love to know. Share that with me. All right, and next we have the foiled again, foil eyeshadow. All right. I've never seen this brand, but that's cute packaging. I believe there's a superwoman in all of us. All right, let's see what this shade is. If I can get the little, oh, that's cute. That's kind of like a bronzy. It says it's called Red Handed as the shade, but I don't know. It doesn't. Oh, that feels nice too. Nice and creamy. Oh, that's pretty. Wow. But it doesn't look red-handed. It looks like a bronzy shade. But I will definitely use that. Pop that right on the lid. Yes, ma'am. All right. Next we have in this cute little bag. Let's see here. It is the Catherine Natural Cosmetics cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free. There is the packaging. Okay. I like all that, you know, and especially the cruelty-free. Boy, that's pretty too. Okay. So that looks kind of like a champagne kind of color. And that's nice and creamy as well. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can really see it, but it's right there. That is gorgeous. And that is Sienna's Highlight. Spread the love, it says. Very pretty. That will look nice on me. It really will with my skin tone. So very excited for that. And I guess I should have, see, I get so excited, I'm so ahead of myself. I did this in the BoxyCharm video too. And I was like, wait a minute. Shouldn't you just pull out the little card and kind of give them some love here a little bit? It says, be merry, be bright, be bold, and be you. I couldn't agree more. Absolutely. How cute. I love it. I love anything that's positive and uplifting for women or men. Either one. Love you both. All right, so I got 2 brushes this month, and I'm quite happy about that. Now to go along with my other set of brushes. Oh, this one is stunning. This is a Farrah brush. I have never used anything from this brand. It is a blending brush. That is absolutely gorgeous, very soft. Look at this, how sleek and nice. It reminds me of a woman with an attitude. Yes, love that. All right. I'm tickled pink today. Yes, I am. Okay, and this one. Boy, this is stunning too. And let me see if I can see it. Oh, goodness. It looks like SL Miss Glam. I hope I'm saying that right. Don't come for me if I'm not. Look at this, how gorgeous. Look at those little rhinestones. And that's so soft, and this is a highlighter brush. I love highlighters, so I can never get too many brushes, and look at that handle. Oh, my goodness, ladies. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm in love with it. I love purple. So, is that all we got in our bag today? I believe so. Yep, it's all empty. So look at this. Look at this one more time. Gorgeous. I love it. Did you get Ipsy this month? What did you think about it? Did you love it as much as I did? Are you excited for it? Leave it in the comments below. Let's talk about it. Gonna get some more videos up here pretty soon, and then I'm gonna take my daughter and have a dinner date with her tonight. So you guys have a fantastic day. I hope you are all smiling and happy, enjoying the holiday time, the holiday season with your family. You guys stay beautiful. Have a good day.